Hey guys, Adam here, and in this video I wanted to share with you a little trick that will increase traffic through to your website and improve your Google ranking and authority. So this is going to help with SEO. It's going to make Google think that your website is a popular, sought after website. And so when people are searching for wedding videographers or wedding suppliers, weddings in your area, Google are going to be putting your website higher up page one of the search results. You're going to appear higher up page one of the search results. And the best part is, absolutely any of you can do this today, right now. All you need is a website and a wedding video to share. So here's the trick. Most of us videographers, when we finish a film for a client, we upload it to YouTube or Vimeo, somewhere online. For my wedding films, I personally still use MediaZilla to send my films off to the client. But most of us sharing videos online, we're using YouTube or Vimeo or some kind of online player, and you would send your client a link to a Vimeo page or a YouTube page. So the trick here is to create a web page on your website or a blog post or something of that nature, and then embed this film into said web page. So you embed the Vimeo player, the YouTube player, the MediaZilla player onto that web page and send the client a link to that web page. What happens then is every time they click to view their film, they're going through your website, not YouTube or Vimeo. Your website is getting all the traffic. And in the case of wedding films, I encourage all of my clients to share the link with their friends and family, share the films with all their loved ones via this link. They might post it on Facebook, or they might send direct links to all their family. And overnight, I get all this traffic to my website. In some cases, like hundreds of clicks through to my website in a couple of days. Google picks up on this data and thinks, okay, this website is popular, a lot of people clicking on it, then we'll move it up the rankings and you'll go above your competition in the search results. And that one simple change of having your client view their film through your website rather than through YouTube or Vimeo can have a significant impact on your SEO and your authority on Google. So if you've not tried this technique already, get one of your films embedded and start helping your website today. That's all I've got, just a quick video. If you liked or found it helpful, then please subscribe and leave me a comment, etc, etc. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.